Hey, it's Josh Berker with TE Certified Plumbing, and today we're talking about aerators. Sometimes when you turn on your sink and the water comes through, it doesn't come through perfectly. And sometimes that can be because debris, maybe some dirt, maybe some rocks, maybe some calcium has broken loose in your plumbing system and has gotten caught in your aerator. When we turn on our sink, we like a nice even flow, and that nice even flow is actually created by a device that's at the end of your faucet. And you can access that device just simply by turning counterclockwise and unscrewing the aerator. And what you can see here is a small filter. You want to make sure that filter is clear. It doesn't have any rocks or debris or anything stuck in the filter. Sometimes this can happen after some water repairs done out the street by your water company, or maybe some plumbing work done in the house, or just sometimes it can happen randomly. You can see when we turn on the water, it's not that nice pure flow when we don't have the aerator installed. And so once you clear it out, you simply just put it back in, tighten it back up, and you're good to go. If you run into an issue where the water is coming out of your faucet unevenly, one of the easy things to check is your aerator.